Which vertebrates are cold-blooded? Answer reptiles. Which vertebrates are warm-blooded? Answer birds. Which vertebrates are warm-blooded? Answer mammals. What is the skeleton of sharks made of? Answer cartilage. What is the skeleton of humans made of? Answer bone. Which animal can change its color? Answer chameleon. Which organ is used by bats for echolocation? Answer ears. Which animal has the largest brain? Answer sperm whale. Which mammal can fly? Answer bat. Which mammal lays eggs? Answer platypus. Which animal has no brain? Answer starfish. Which animal has 3 hearts? Answer octopus. Which animal has blue blood? Answer octopus. Which animal breathes through skin? Answer earthworm. Which animal has a segmented body? Answer earthworm. What is the scientific name of humans? Answer Homo sapiens. What is the largest animal phylum? Answer Arthropoda. Which is the smallest bird? Answer hummingbird. Which animal has a long trunk? Answer elephant. Which animal stores water in its hump? Answer camel. Which is the national aquatic animal of India? Answer Ganges dolphin. Which is the national bird of India? Answer peacock. Which is the national animal of India? Answer tiger. Which animal has no bones? Answer jellyfish. Which animal has a water vascular system? Answer starfish. Which animal shows alternation of generations? Answer Orbelia. What type of fertilization do frogs have? Answer external. What type of fertilization do humans have? Answer internal. Which animal has a notochord only in larval stage? Answer tunicate. Which animal has radial symmetry in adults? Answer starfish. Which animal has bilateral symmetry in larvae? Answer echinoderms. Which animal has tube feet? Answer starfish. What type of reproduction does hydra show? Answer budding. What is the locomotory organ of amoeba? Answer pseudopodia. What is the locomotory organ of paramecium? Answer cilia. What is the locomotory organ of euglena? Answer flagellum. Which animal is called the flying mammal? Answer bat. Which animal gives milk? Answer mammal. What type of circulatory system do humans have? Answer closed. What type of circulatory system do arthropods have? Answer open. Which animals have jointed legs? Answer arthropods. Which animal has compound eyes? Answer insects. What is the excretory organ of crustaceans? Answer green glands. Which animal has radial and bilateral symmetry in different stages? Answer echinoderm. Which animal uses trachea for respiration? Answer insects. Which fish has no jaws? Answer lamprey. Which fish has a bony skeleton? Answer rohu. Which fish has a cartilaginous skeleton? Answer shark. Which animal is known as man's best friend? Answer dog. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? Answer camel.